Well, I'm in rural Retreat, Virginia. I'm going to try to get a train, so when it gets closer I'll turn the camera back on. Alright, let's see if I can get a good shot of the train. If a whole lot of cars come by, or trucks, I might be in trouble. I'm going to try it anyway. And as it comes along, let me tell you where I am. Dr. Pepper's drugstore used to be on this corner. I was told it burned down, so they helped to rebuild that. But they've just restored the depot, and I'll get a shot of the depot in just a few moments. But yeah, this train's gonna make it easy for me. It's coming so slow. Looks like a pretty good hill. So as I pan around, now you can see the Rural Retreat Depot. It's just been restored and it's beautiful inside. Okay, here's another view of the depot. And it's pretty nice that this end has like a real large room in it. Looks like you'd have all kind of meetings and other kind of fun things inside. And this train is long. I'm glad I'm not trying to cross the tracks. I've got to go back the other way and get back on the interstate. I've still got a lot of driving to do. Yeah, it'll be a while before the end of the train gets here. All right, there we go. Finally got to the end. All right, so I'll finish up the video as soon as the gates go up. How about that? They ring them when they're going up here. And that's it. So long from Rural Retreat, Virginia.